If you've been sharpening for over 10 years, don't think you have mastered it. Because even if you sharpen well, there's still room to improve. That process takes a lifetime to master. That was a chisel just sharpened, but with chisels the form is important. Because only the back is kept flat, it becomes a reference. Therefore, with chisels, it is critical to sharpening this area to be beautifully level. All sharpening stones must be kept equally level. Only then can you begin sharpening. When you generally start chiseling, the first thing to do is to follow the laying out of marking lines. While laying out, you have to think about a lot of things like the structure, how you'll assemble it, and the installation order, in order to ensure that it's not muddled and is efficiently assembled. After that process is over, you just need to do a very simple job. If you need to leave half of the mark, you just do it. You don't have to think about anything else. Good cutting tools and your favorite tools are also very important. Tools made by a good blacksmith cut well for the entire day. Even after sharpening, you can use it for up to 3 days without any problem. Therefore, that is what it's like. It is all about how good your tools are. For skilled carpenters in Japan, most of them are chiseling by hand because the machine has its limits. We use handmade methods and do things that machines cannot do. Of course, it's not fast like a machine, but many complicated tasks can only be done by hand.